one day you're out dealing with a crisis situation, you've got somebody's entire family around you, and you've got almost this privileged position that nobody outside of this family ever sees. You see the dynamics, the interactions between people, and you get to help them to make decisions, and they look to you for guidance. And I guess there's a feeling of, value within that, and you get to use the theories and the learning that you've had at university, the psychological stuff, to kind of think what is going on there. And you get kind of, I guess, a eureka moment at the end of it where you think, wow, where did that all come from? How do I know this kind of stuff? And you start to see a plan for how to get people out of things. You start to see, well, we need this to happen and we need this to happen based on all that learning. And then you can go back and you can show this plan to people, get them involved in it. And, there's a way forward. Suddenly, they're not stuck anymore. So in the middle, are you going to leave it at playing? Are you going to put what you play? Well, I suppose I had a career change, and I used to sit in front of a computer all day, every day. And it didn't excite me, I guess, or it didn't interest me. And, being out there, dealing with people, working with people, you get a buzz from it. You get enjoyment from it. You get lots of stress from it as well. But at the end of it, you can kind of sit back and think, God, things have changed. You have to want to make a difference to society, I think. It's fine to sit back and to criticise what's happening to society, but, if you want it to change, you've got to be part of that. And I think social work is a career that allows you to do that. People are fascinating, they're interesting, their lives are interesting. Every single day I do this job, I learn something new, and, I think that's important, and I'm always curious to see what I'm going to learn today, really.